Hello, my name is John Kamau from Top Heights Electricals and Electricians, and I'm here to talk about switching and sparking. This is a very important concept, and once you get an idea about it, it is going to save your electricals and eventually save you money. Now, in that reference, I would use the instant shower head circuit, which we normally use in our houses, and on this board is a representation of the same. From here, this circuit comes from the consumer unit or the main switch to the physical switch that you normally put on or off whenever you're getting into the shower. And these are the lines, the power lines: black representing the neutral, red representing the live, and green representing the earth. In my previous video, I talked about earthing and electric shock. In this circuit, earthing is very important. You can go and check out the video. So this circuit is very important because it contains two switches. The first switch is now the physical switch which you normally operate. The second switch is located inside the instant shower head, and this switch is automatic. It is normally activated by the water pressure. Whenever water starts flowing inside the shower head, this switch closes and it opens whenever there is no water or the pressure is very low. Now, I normally insist that you allow water to flow inside of this shower head before you can put on this physical switch. The reason why you do that, I insist that you do that, is so that you can allow the switch inside the shower head to close. When it closes, now you can put on this switch. The reason why I insist on that is because whenever this switch is put on or off through the water pressure, there is a spark that is released if this switch is on. When that spark is released, it is going to affect the plastic that is holding the terminals in this circuit inside of this instant shower head, and that is not good for this shower, because with the time the sparks will burn this contact, and when they burn, eventually this shower head will stop working. But if you allow the water to flow before you can put on this switch, now the sparks will not be witnessed here, but oftentimes you will witness the sparks on this switch whenever you turn off this switch or you turn it off. So it means this sparking in this shower head will be transferred to this physical switch that you normally put on and off. Now, this switch inside here, the automatic switch which is activated by water, was not meant to handle sparking, but this one can handle sparking. So that is the first reason why I insist that you allow water to flow inside the shower head before you can put it on and off. Essentially, what this means is that when you're getting into the shower, first of all, let the water to flow through the shower head, and then come and put on this switch. After you are done taking your shower, now you can come out and put off this switch before you can go and turn the water tap off, so that this switch will only be on and off when this one is off, so that this sparking cannot be witnessed here but here. So this switch can handle that sparking. That is the first reason. The second reason is when this shower head blows due to this constant sparking, it is expensive to repair it or to replace the entire shower head. But this one, in case it blows up, it is cheaper than this one, whether to replace it or if, for instance, someone is doing some maintenance. So those are the reasons. I hope I have helped you in one way or the other. Kindly ensure that water is flowing before you put it on or you put it off. Thank you so much.